Okay, I love this stuff. I've got a couple that I would like to add, by the way. I would like to add soup, okay? SOOP. This is something that I came up at in my living room, also known as the Aurora Chop House, where stands for significant other on premises. Now, what this means is this is a gentleman who hits on you, maybe it's, I guess a chick, could be a chick, all year long, constantly. Like we're talking, oh, you look so great, da-da-da-da-da, never wears a wedding ring, never anything. I mean, just short of the rump grab, and oh, by the way, that has happened. And then the next thing you know, you're at like, and there's this one particular big event that kind of kicks off the holiday season where these clowns parade one night of the year their significant other, which none of us have ever seen, none of us have ever known existed. And all of a sudden you're like, oh, hey, Dave or whatever. And they're like, hi. And you're like, Dave, last night you were grabbing, and they're like, yeah, hi. Have you met Maureen? And you're like, Maureen? Frick is more, what the hell are you talking? My wife, and all of a sudden now they've got the ring on, they've got the whole deal, and you're like, oh, I beg your pardon, hi. So now I look like I'm the champion troller here. I look like I'm nuts. As if I don't already look like I'm nuts. Yeah, that's awesome. So that's significant other on premises. And I said to my favorite bartender, I'm like, literally, you guys, why don't you hand out buttons, little baby buttons that just say soup, so the rest of us all know that just says significant other on premises. You can say it's a charity or whatever, but that way we know, and then heads up, we didn't want to troll on you anyway, older chubby gentlemen, okay? We were not interested. And now you're trolling on us, and now you're acting like we're nuts, and your wives are upset, and then your wives give us the glare the next time we see them at lunch. Dude, we did not want you married jackasses anyway, okay? I have another one, my new favorite, the noodle. The noodle is when you have the individual that you've been dating whose spine is literally like this, like, oh, jellyfish. And this noodle spine, get this? That's not a spine. That is a noodle that will do nothing. That has no backbone, cannot stand up to ex-wife or ex-girlfriend. Like a million people know who I'm talking about. And you're like, dude, get out of the game then. Do not contact me. Because it's like one day the noodle is, I guess, a dry noodle and has a spine and it's like, oh, okay, I can do this. And then the next day it's like, oh, but I don't want to have conflict. Okay, well, poor freaking flipping you. But then don't noodle me. Because right now I'm noodled by a zombie on a couch with a breadcrumb, Hansel and Gretel, and my couch is on a bench. Okay, that's it for now. This article, I highly recommend it, is on someecards.com. Okay, I was not familiar with that. It is now my new favorite thing. 7 slang terms about romance or lack thereof you should know before going on a date. And this is by, oh my God, now I need glasses. Orly Matlow. Orly Matlow, whoever you are, ORLIMATLOW. Bless you. You have entertained millions of people as well as me.